Hi my little friends, welcome back to another cooking video with Miss Jailene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ham and cheese pinwheels. The ingredients that you're going to need is a tortilla, flour tortillas, the type of ham that you're going to want to use, the type of cheese that you're going to want to use, and whatever you're going to want to use as your topping. I like to use mayonnaise. You can use mustard, butter, whatever you prefer. You're going to need toothpicks, a knife, a cutting knife, a butter knife to spread whichever topping you have. I have a cutting board and a plate to transfer over my pinwheels. Because we are using a cutting knife, you're going to need an adult or an older sibling to help you. Okay, let's get started. I have took out my tortilla, placed it on here. I'm going to grab my mayonnaise, or you can grab whatever topping you want to use. Put that onto your tortilla. Grab your butter knife and just spread that around. Spread it all over. You can use mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you prefer. I prefer mayonnaise on my pinwheels. Okay. Now for the next part is to grab your ham and just place it on your tortilla. I like to use thin ham because it's easier, but remember you can use more than these two toppings for your pinwheels. You can use lettuce, tomato, but I just like ham and cheese. And my next step is my cheese. Place my cheese on here. I only like 2 slices. And now all you're gonna do is just roll. Roll, 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 roll. Roll, 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 roll. And that is it. And I like to grab my toothpicks and place them because it helps me cut. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. And then with an adult or older sibling, you can go ahead and cut. And there you go, they're all separate. And that is what it looks like. There is your pinwheel. You can go ahead and transfer it over to your plate. And that is it. Enjoy!